Welcome to Languages 101. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you 2 ways to change your survey language and then how to administer your survey in that language. Let's get started. First, we need to check that the language is supported for transcription. We can do this in the audio question settings. If your language of interest is not supported for transcription, then unfortunately, transcription is currently not available for that language. The next thing that we need to do is make sure that our language of interest is supported for localization. We can check this in survey settings under survey language. The main dropdown contains all of the languages that Phonic has survey app translations for. These translations include things like record, stop recording, and any Phonic-specific errors. If your language of interest is not on this list, then stop this tutorial and get in touch with us at contact@phonic.ai to discuss your options. Once you've confirmed that your language of interest is supported for both localization and transcription, there are 2 options for how to change your survey language. You can either change the language manually within the builder, or you can add a query parameter at the end of your survey URL. Head over to Survey Settings under Survey Language. Here you'll see the language dropdown. I'm going to use the dropdown to select French. Now that French has been selected, the survey app will be in French. You'll notice that there is a warning telling us that this does not set the transcription language and that this must be done in question settings. Over in the question tab, we can change the transcription language for audio questions using the transcription language dropdown. Note that this needs to be done for each audio, video, or screen recording question that you have in your survey. Once the survey language and transcription language have been set, you can publish your survey. When you share your survey URL, your survey will now appear in the language that you've set, and transcriptions will be completed in this language as well. If you have a lot of audio questions in your survey, you might not want to use the point-and-click solution just described. Instead, you can add a query parameter to the end of your survey URL, which will automatically set the survey language and the transcription language for all audio, video, and screen recording question types. To do this, let's start by publishing the survey. In the survey dashboard under the Share tab, we can copy the survey link and place it in a new tab on our web browser. You'll notice that the survey app is still showing up in English. To administer the survey in another language, we'll first add a question mark to the end of the URL, followed by lang equals, and then a language code. To send this survey specifically in French, we'll add $lang equals FR, because the language code for French is FR. A link with all of the language codes can be found below. We can see that the survey now appears in French. Transcription language will also automatically be set to French. And that's how you update your survey language. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fully multilingual survey, which includes translating a single survey into multiple languages. See you then!